In this video, I'll show you how you can unlink your EA account from your Steam account. Now, first step is you can head over to Steam right here, and you can go to Apex Legends or any EA game for that matter, and scroll down and click visit the website. Now what you can also do is you can simply go to Google and type in myaccount.ea.com. From in here you will now come to your settings on your account once you've logged in, and on the left hand side you should see a button that says connections. From in here you can see everything you have connected to, and you can press the link button if you want to link it. Now for the Steam, if you have already linked your account, it will say unlink right here, and what you want to do is press the unlink button and they will send you a verification code to your email. Now once you've typed in the verification code, you will have successfully unlinked your Steam from the EA account. Now that's basically how you do it, guys, and it's super simple, so I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.